Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I have a special right now, guys. It's all morning, so it's around 9 a.m. in the morning. So I just wake up right now because yesterday it was raining, and I was coming from Migori with one of my friend by the name Vidi Jonah, and I get rain on the motorbike. So that's the reason why I sleep till right now, 9 a.m. So like my time to wake up it's around 7, around 6 to 7. But I just, yeah, we thank God, man, for the gift of life. And right now that's how the light it is. That's my cousin from a distance. Say hello.
Hello.
It's right there. So imagine, even I haven't uh, make the bed, so it's looking shagala bagala. You can see, guys, that's my room, and nothing to be hide. Also, this is my brother's room. So they have been went to school. First, before I take my breakfast, I'm gonna ask my cousin, what's up? Mbona uko nyumbani?
Yes, because of money.
Because of money.
Yes, school fees.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So they were being sent school fees, and at this moment, I'm taking my breakfast, and then I rush to Border Town. I'm going to visit one of my friends. It depends the title, but yeah, let's see, guys, how things go. This bread right here, see, guys, three slices. It's enough for me. And I think even it's possible, to take all of them. I take only maybe two. Okay. Let me open, guys. Hey. Sometimes it's very difficult. I'm cameraman. Okay. Yeah, I think right now this black cafe. Oh my God. Amazing, man. Unuicha. I'm asking my cousin, have you taken breakfast? So he said yes. Wow. Yeah, that's what we call life, And guys, thank you so much for, clicking my videos, tune in, supporting me by watching, and also, watch, also the ads, guys. At least, I can gain something. And also subscribing, it's for free. It doesn't need maybe money to subscribe, So I'm taking my breakfast, and then I rush. Oh, there's cow outside. Oh man. Hey. There are areas sabuni. That's my mama. And me, sometimes I like to take, black cafe, because my brother and my sister, they have been taking black cafe early in the morning, going to school. Yeah, man. Just wake up like that. I'm on short and vest. you know Something hot. And sometime I do, village lifestyle and traveling vlog. So like I'm trying, when I finish building my house, I wanna start, to adventure East Africa, and then maybe one day, you never know, I will be maybe abroad, you never know. So at this moment, I do village life content, showing you how Kenya at large looks like, maybe on camera, and most of you, maybe you have been Google Kenya, you see on the map, but through content creator or content creation, most of people mostly content creators. They have been showing how Kenya looks like, and most interior part of the village, the capital city of Kenya, and all stuff. At least you can master how Kenya looks like on on camera, and then it's live, man. So this moment I'm chilling home, and I'm planning, to build my mama house. Hmm That's how my vlog start. Mm-hmm. Anyway, I'm still enjoying. And look, there's some coaches right there. Oh my god, let me enjoy, and then we shall meet on the next vlog. Guys, I finished, taking my breakfast, and it's time, to go outside. I need to wear my jacket, and also taking my baby outside because I'm still packing my baby around the house, and it helped me a lot, man, looking for the content, and also many stuff, also helping my family, to go maybe for the vacation, going around, when I mean baby, I mean this, let me show you guys right there. See, it's parking, and everything will be awesome. Anyway, we shall, see on the road, guys. Guys, right now on this shop they have been selling, Vitron. We have mixer, speakers, fan, and this is the guy. Say hello.
Hello?
Yes. So you get employed here, or this is your workshop?
They work.
Okay. This is where he gets employed, and right now we're doing these videos from here, where he gets employed, and then to his own business. Money is everything. Look, hey, 55 inches, my friend. How many dollars? How much?
They are 45,000.
Kenyan shillings?
Yeah.
Oh, and this
55,000.
why this 45 and then this 55?
License worldwide. Worldwide display. That one, Kenya, Tanzania.
This one?
Maybe for now, it's going viral. Tanzania, Uganda.
And Hisense?
License is worldwide.
Only Kenya.
No, worldwide. Africa,
US,
yes.
you find it $500, and then this one is around $400. Yeah, maybe in terms of company it's different, So also these are my helmet here. Wengedheru uniangalie huko ile mzigo. Tunaweza enda. And also have some dispenser. You can go want to sell some stuff. Guys, so hata tuone. Guys, this TV brand new, but I'm not buying TV right now. I'm just showing you how things go. Glass table, we have this for the TV stand, I think right there for the TV stand, this table, It's meant for the marble. Now this marble, I think also this marble here on top. Hey, hey, hey! Look at this. Oh, okay. In the digital one. Let's go. Tunaenda hivi. Ndio ni ndio ndefu si chap. Hata tunaweza kuhamia hapo, basi lazima tufike. Si niko nenda video. Let's go my friend. Let's go. Hey, we have speaker here. Hey. So this is driving school office. If you need to be joined driving school, you wanna join, you know. Loans. Yeah,
you have secretary.
Who?
Secretary there.
Who is secretary? Dada habari. Naweza kopa 30,000? Nirudishe baada ya mwezi. Aya, ngoja nije. So guys, that right here the offer loans. You say what?
Yeah, there's a baby.
Who?
A baby boy?
No, you don't want to show people's face.
Yeah, don't.
I will see.
Maybe my business.
Oh.
Advertisement.
Yeah?
Go outside, you do advertisements.
Umshike mtoto.
Not me. You can just do.
So unampa mtoto anakushikia afu una dat. Sijui unafanya
Advertisement.
customize sijui biashara yako.
Customize kwa nini? Si ujiongeze kwani kufanya business.
Nikaifanyia wapi? Siwezi onyesha mimi mtoto.
Unajua maana customize.
Akufanya business twende. No problem. Let's go.
Kwa nini kufanya warehouse? Upiga warehouse.
Huyo. Okay. We are the back street of Bora Town. Ngora. Kids from school. Now we want to become a real boss. Bora Town. So let's go guys. It's a long distance.
Mambo anasonga.
Kado mtana driver. Let's go. Oh my god.
Kenya inadaiwa, kwa mimi kudaiwa. So
sewage water running from other side. There's another business house coming soon. Hey. Whew. If you want to become a good boss, which character? Yeah, maybe somebody wants to to see you like you are a good boss. Let me say customers. For me, like you're a customer. Which character did you say like? Oh, you are a good boss. Eh? Kutupunguzia.
terms in business. You see? Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
That's one matters a lot.
Guys, you're going to meet their business and then you see, hey bro, you were like American, rich kid. Huh? So guys, these are continuation videos. I do some 2 hours ago, and then right now I decided to come and finish the videos. Wow. That's how house looks here in Bora Town at the back street. You know, sorry for the music, guys. That's the reason why I don't like, movement in town. Yeah, even in town I don't want to film my videos.
Interfere.
Yeah, because you have louder music, you have movement of the vehicles, noise from the industry,
Noise.
Yeah.
Pollution.
Yeah, but in the village, number one.
so calm.
Yes. Oh my god. Let's go. I used to make my bike here, but that guy nowadays no more business of mechanic. See also this building right here. Hey, you walk quick and fast. Huh? Do that. Guys, have a look. And hello, baby. Something else. Okay. You see that tall building at the back, how it looks like, you know, super amazing. Huh?
This brand is Boga.
It's a brand, is Kuchonjo. I see Sukuma Wiki, all chaos. You know, in America they call the green collar.
Okay.
Do you know that? You don't know?
Big Bob.
Eh? Big Bob?
Big Bob.
Okay. Also, this is a Catholic church. I think so. Parish. Yeah. Oh. You see, Yamaharaga Parish. It's a Catholic church going that way. Look, you see, symbolize this Catholic church. Parokia in Yamaharaga. How many is Ibani? So when you go to the market, say, oh, I need green cola. People get shocked.
The
Which?
cow paws.
Yeah? Cow paws. It's a cow pigs.
Cow.
Eh, you want a bonge? Okay. Okay, yes. Let's move. Sasa hapa tushakutana nyuma. Kivipi?
Najua sisi tunaangalianga wewe unatengeneza maokoto.
Mokota.
Hakuna.
Mokota.
Unaenda
Baya ifikia hapa chini.
wapi? Chini wapi?
Sika rafiki yangu hapa.
Huyo.
Sasa
yule rafiki yako tena mnaenda mpaka nyumbani. Lazima. Chonjo.
Sawa, kama kaa.
Huyo akikudondokea
It's around, he was around maybe 300 kg. More than that. Hauna. Nataka nimwambie. I love the flowers, guys. Okay. Guys, right now I'm inside the shop and I want to meet with one of my friends, so to market their business. See guys, trousers, you know, hood, jeans, also some shorts, jeans. Hey boss,
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
How was
fine.
everything?
Everything's going well. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I'm just over here to market their business, and then maybe you can advertise your business. Maybe somebody are new here on my videos, coming to my village, they want to know your business, where it's located, you know.
Yeah. It is located near PG alongside Catholic Road. Yeah. Come shop with us.
Actually, guys, we're around in Border Town at the back streets, so this is where we meet maybe
Yeah, take
a young
the
man.
display.
So maybe each and every maybe staff, you share the cost price I mean, not price, you know. So maybe when I have friends maybe in Nyabohansi, they say, hello baby, I watch your videos during maybe advertising your friend's shop, and maybe they want to know the shorts, cost price and everything, shoes, cap.
Yeah.
If you are a musician, man, new look. But anyway guys, I'm not buying some clothes right now. I'm on process of building a house. So like, you know, like this one. How much?
That one costs 2,500.
Kenyan shillings?
Yeah.
No bargain, or that's the final price?
Yeah, marked price.
Marked price. I'm not a businessman. Me I said the final price, but for him said marked price. I get you. And also this.
They're 3,000.
Oh my god. Unyama mwingi. Look guys. Hey. Balenciaga. Hey. Logos.
Yeah, we deal with brands.
Huh?
Yeah.
Guys, if I work with this.
LA.
Uh-huh. Show them.
Gap.
This for ladies?
Unisex. They wear both. Yeah.
Me, I love this.
So good. Quality.
Huh?
Yeah.
And what about this?
Yeah.
'Cause
1,000.
I have big ears, guys. Huh? It can't fit, my brother, because of my hair.
Yeah.
You, it fit.
Yeah.
Huh? Look at that man. Huh? Yo. So 1,000?
200.
Oh my god, I'm telling you, cape and shoes, huh? $50 have already gone. Serious? Yeah. Okay. It's because you have good stuff, you know. Jeans
They are 2,500.
here and also here.
Yeah, those are baggy jeans. Here, plain jeans. 1,500.
Yes, for the local people like me here, 1,000.
500.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you because I wear the second-hand clothes, man. But I'm just okay with it, you know. That's my life that I'm choosing. Huh?
Yeah.
Like for you here, rich kid,
2,500.
2,500.
Oh, yeah. They're 3,000.
3,500
500.
here.
2,500.
That's 700 here.
They're 1,200.
Huh?
1,200.
1,200.
Yeah.
So the shoes and trousers 7,000.
7,000. 8,200.
When you add cape,
Goes 9,400.
guys, closer to $100. Maybe in US that maybe the money like you can buy bread, but $100 in our village here, I can wear like that.
Yeah.
Huh?
Life.
Okay, bro. Congratulations, because
Yeah, thanks.
you start small, and one day you find yourself
grow,
have
grow.
we have a bigger house or room, clothes everywhere,
Yeah.
and also some shirts.
They are 1,200.
Essential. Hey. No black.
Blacks, yeah.
No, you don't have essential black.
Yeah.
Only have this.
We deal with. There's one here. The white.
Hey, white's for the vacation, bro.
I think it is gone.
Oh,
Already sold.
hey. Huh? Look, guys. This it's meant for the musician.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
They are 2,000.
And also maybe for the somebody watching my videos, what can you try maybe to advise them, because how we start your business, amount of money maybe you're going to start, like the way they are, it costs you how much?
Maybe 200,000 going 300,000. It's good to start for a business.
Like this one,
Yeah, they are 300,000
Kenyan shillings.
Kenyan shillings.
Man,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, that's close to around 2,000 USD roughly there, you know. So you can start a business like this. It's because maybe you need to have a room, you pay the rent, making some wardrobe like this, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, expenses.
And I see you have some music, you know.
Yeah. Burudani kidogo.
Burudani kidogo.
Burudani kidogo. That's a sound bar.
Soundbar.
Yeah.
Tune on the music maybe a little bit. I want to get copyright. Huh? Dogo na kuburandi.
Yeah, come.
Uonekane Marekani. Hadi utaka kuonekane dada. Usiogope, uje hapo nenda dako. Nakuwa nasoma Nyamara. Sasa
Ndio
msamo.
umeconnect hapo.
Ida. Dede, unanijua? Alikoga form 1 si ndio?
Connected.
Maana mimi nimemjua mapema. The guy with the iPhone. Rich kid. Maybe on these videos, I want to submit to one of the millionaire.
Big time forward. The Starboy Dash.
I don't want to get copyright. Just okay,
Yeah. So
guys, who know?
We are,
Maybe these videos it could be I made a young millionaire in our village.
So guys watching these videos, we are located here PG alongside Catholic Road. So
Border town.
come and promote our business. Come shop with us. Yeah. You're all welcome.
Okay. If I see my brother succeed, guys, I need, to appreciate him. So I like to motivate him, keep going, do more than this, It's not an easy thing, guys. Maybe as people they think around our village here, you need, to struggle and then you save money, right, left, center, And the good thing is, like, don't engage in a group who like pumping champagne, taking liquor, beers, Yeah, just do your own thing at your own pace. Imagine if you could, maybe a guy who like maybe going for the vacation with friends, cheers everywhere. You can't maybe do things like this, And also you make your moms or your dads to be proud, and also your sister outside there, because oh, my brother, he really struggling, Even me in the future, I wanna make my best, best for life. Okay, Dora. Guys, this is watermelon, and also we have cucumber, oranges, banana. Yeah. So like I normally eat fruits and I love it. I don't know whether I can use the toothpick. Oh my god. Or I use my bare hand. Let me know in the comment section. But anyway, because I was riding and sometime I greet people, I'm gonna wash my hand and then eating the food. So for my premiere game, these videos, it will depend, but how maybe long will take, because I was visiting one of the a young millionaire in our village. So coming with some like good idea, and I like the business, the way he was coming, like step by step, and I showed up, how he was working, and then I shared with you the price. Maybe one of you watching this video from the village, you can link me out. I show you that shop. If you need to have clothes, mostly for the men and ladies, you have that. So I'm gonna wash my hand and start enjoying, Also, people are outside using my Wi-Fi. Actually, guys, when I I bring Wi-Fi back home, I didn't shoot the videos, but you see right now the loot right here. That's the connection for the solar panel right there. And yeah, I'm just living simple as that, like nothing to be fake. And the time is running, it's around 14:27. Also, you see, like when God bless me, nobody can say no. When God say yes, nobody can say no. I mean that. So people are charging phones. Oh, this is my brother's phone. This is my cousin's phone. Oh, they're charging. Look, there's an extension here. So man, that is it. So we shall meet when I'm enjoying my lunch time, right here. Although in the morning I was taking breakfast, early in the morning I rush up and I just come back, So see you guys while I'm enjoying the food. So guys, my hand, it's clean. I washed them. Where I'm going to start, guys, should I fall in cucumber or watermelon? One of my friend made it possible. Thank you so much. I think you're in watching these videos, and I'm still enjoying the fruits, you know. Enjoying, look, like never before. Soft life. We start with fruits, man. And I'm thinking in the future, when I get money, I'll buy a bigger screen so I can watch my YouTube channel. That one you can't, never, you know. Goodbye. Right now, I'm leaving home and I'm heading this way. I'm going, guys, you know what, to visit one of my friends, and I think that's why I'm ending my video. So, ona afu mchome hizo Pepsi ziko hapo na makaratasi. So this is my baby, and that's how it looks like. And thank you so much for everybody who's supporting me. At least I have the bike right now, so I'm gonna wear the helmet just right here. So that's how things go. That is it. Wagwan, man. No, look here. That's my muscle. That's me, guys. Hello, baby. You know, muscle. And when I'm going to gym, what do you expect, guys? Maybe I'll look like this. Anyway, guys, like I'm joking a little bit, so wear the jacket, like wear the helmet. And it's because of my hair, you know, and all stuff. But everything will be okay. I lock here, you know, it's having a lock. Yeah. So when it's raining, it can't affect my hair, and also this is the safety, you know. Anyway, let's go. That's cow grazing right here. Beautiful home. That's my ballast for the construction, and I'm leaving home right now. Okay, guys, that's where I'm born and raised. And that's a sweet home. Let's go. So today's videos, I'm trying to show you from my home, heading to my friends. So let's see how things go. Goodbye, village. Wow, you see a bungalow coming on that place. Yeah, I can't wait to design, you know, my mom's house, and I will see how it's looking like. This is the guy having my money, and I'm trying to demand my money from this side, but he gave me 10 bags of cement, and you know, it's because maybe I stay calm and I'm so good, you know, so that's the reason why maybe he take advantage. Yeah, man. Yeah, so like within here, it's just like road junction. It's going to other side, and then you go to Kihancha, and also this one goes to border town Tanzania, also near Buhanse, and then you use that road going to Nairobi. At the same time, this road also goes to my home near Buhanse. We meet the tarmac road at Buhanse Center. We go to Nairobi. So for me right now, I'm just use this and then meet the tarmac road, heading to my friends. So the reason why I don't want to use this. Sometimes I meet some small kids and also students from school. So I don't maybe sometimes hooting like that. You heard there's a sharp corner. Yeah, you see that's the motor light. So yeah, and guys, I'm remaining with only boot and maybe some. I think I'll try to look some gloves. I don't know why I misuse it, but I'm looking it later. So only boots remaining. I have the chest guard, I have the helmet. What? Only boots, and then boom. Wow, look how the sky looks like. And I'm trying to figure out the map of America, but I didn't see. I see only the map of Africa right there. You see, it look like number 7. If you are Africa, maybe if you are maybe in America and you are an African guy, look, apart from this, look that, that cloud, it looks like number 7, the map of Africa right here. So anyway, it's time to go. Yeah, sometimes you can observe our map by using clouds, things like that. But let's go. Let's go. That's how my journey starts, and I'm still going. I see another guy grazing goats and sheep around here. You can see them, Wagwan man, and also some kids. You see, they're coming from school. So that's the reason why I don't want to use other routes. Time to leave home, and I'm driving slowly with that guy. Oh, making dust like something else. So on this bike, it's not meant for long distance. There's motorbike meant for the long distance, especially from 200cc up to 600cc. So you can go long distance. And this one, maybe when you go long distance from here to Nairobi, you spoil your bike. But there's some other bike, I mean. So yeah, I love to adventure some other place, like from here to Turkana. I need to have maybe 250cc so I can adventure. But this one here, maybe it will serve the community around my village. Yeah, our church right there. They're under construction. Yeah, man. As you watch my videos, guys, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Bebo for sure. Yeah, just still learning, step by step, heading straight. And when I'm passing here, I'm gonna meet the downside as we jump to other side. Wow, that's dump site, and I see some birds step on it. Yeah, but it's because I see some beautiful birds on that dump site, but it's totally smelling, so I can't go there. And sometimes you can come from inside and then this is start attacking you. So this is another way bridge right here. Alright, I'm just around here again, and I was coming from this side. I made the tarmac road, so my journey started for real. I'm going to meet one of my friends. Okay. How my journey start? There have been crushing stones here. By using other methods. Wow. That's my tattoo. Yeah, guys, what a beautiful sky from Africa. I'm telling you guys, you just come to Africa. Look, beautiful rocks there, and these are school bus. You see them going that way. Yeah, when you see when you come to Africa, you see any school bus, mostly in Kenya, painting in yellow, know that there's a school bus. Look, beautiful rocks on the other side. So that's how I start my journey. Recording, and I love the sky. Oh my god. Yeah. So you see right there, also car grazing on the other side as we're still moving on. Okay. And also we have a water tank on the other side. I see a man pushing the trolley right there. Okay, nowadays that's a rental house. That place reminds me in Mombasa vibe. Yeah guys, go and watch my videos. I went there, I think close to 4 months. I went there and I enjoy Mombasa vibe, you know. So I'm passing Nyabohansi right now, and I normally wash my bike here. That's how Nyabohansi looks like, you know. On camera, you know. So we're gonna move, man, you know. Look, Nyabohansi to the wall. Right. hit the road. Yeah. And sometimes I meet people on the road moving, mostly pedestrians. Some of them are drunkards. So, like, I don't want to go and play on them. I want to move around. Kids from school. Also, there's a club, but they haven't opened right there. Here we go. So I see the signboard right here. It shows me bumps ahead and I need to slow down. Wapi? Mabera. Mercedes-Benz. I'm telling you, people have money outside here. Yeah, it's by God's grace, you know. Riding a motorbike, coming back home safely, it's by God's grace. And I'm told that energy to go. Yeah, these other saints are right here. So guys, after going back home. Sometimes it's amazing. I see people buying new furniture right there. Oh my god. Oh. We are moving. Guys, I hope you're enjoying my trip from home to my friends, guys. I hope so. So this is a slope, a slanting road going down. I need to put neutral. Right now the bike is neutral right there. As we keep continue with my journey. What a beautiful scenery in our village here. And I love it, man. I love it. Sorry for the windy. The wind is too much. But we really capture some fun. See? This is a tractor. Oh man, amazing. Eagle. Yeah. That's neat. Woo! Moon in the sky. Unbelievable to see moon in the sky during daytime. Okay. Africa, the world. Woo. right here, there's a bridge. Right there. There's a bridge. Yeah. I see the lady putting something on the hill. Almost to meet another village or center. That's Mabera. That's Mercedes. Then going that way. Yeah, I see another one. Yeah, I want to meet Mabera center, and then I excuse a little bit some distance, you know. Maybe from Mabera to my friend's home, it's around, I think, from Mabera center to my friend's home, it's around maybe 1 kilometer. Yeah, things like that. 1 kilometer. Yeah. So you will see the beautiful market in the village. Yeah. It's already gone. Oh my God. Too much windy, too much windy. But bear with me, watch my videos till the end. I didn't have the mic, so that's the reason why the wind is too much. But you love the scenery, you know. See, car is crazy. Big shout to him. He do a good job. But I don't want to join politician, like politics. I mean, I want to join them. So you see, yeah, people are building nice apartments. Woo. This is a Jofa company right here. So this is Mabera for you. See people outside hustling every day. Hustle, hustle, hustle. I think this is the right time to move on. I need big truck. Don't see them. Oh my God. Anyway, it's time to move. Oh my God. So guys, I don't drive along, so stay tuned. Say hello.
Hey guys. You could you miss me, guys. I was so hungry, yeah. So we went somewhere to eat some soup, drink some soup. and now we are good to go. It's around it's 1 p.m. You know. Anyway, welcome back to my brother's channel. My name is Viri Jonah. If it's the first time you're meeting this ugly face, kindly subscribe. I do the same thing as
Okay.
Yeah, guys, kindly subscribe, show love. Yes, man, you need to visit David Jr. and see the progress that is going on.
Grandma dancing
grandmother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just visit him, my guy.
Okay, I'll do that. I was spoiling myself. You know, my stomach was empty.
You were eating too.
Show them.
Hello, baby has a big stomach.
Like Cobra.
He's becoming a father. You love big stomach, you know?
No. It's because when I eat the food,
you get full. And
when
see
I'm
now
hungry, it's be like this.
if you go like that in Tanzania, the police will arrest you.
Yeah. I'm taking care of myself.
You see when, like, you see, guys, that what do we call it? Combat. That combat attire is the best. See how he looks.
Okay, let me wear this.
Here no sickness. No sickness here.
Yeah, no sickness.
Big health.
Okay.
Okay, hello, baby. Let me we'll talk, man.
Okay. Right, guys, I'm just around at this mansion, and things have been going on here, backfilling the ground. So guys, the house have been backfilled, and we are still learning, you know, more things, and the rain is out. I don't know. They need to be compact, this place. Hey, I'm telling construction, no, like it's not an easy thing, you know. It's a tough. See, they have been you know, delivered by using this Rory here, written by Mitch Fish. Oh, I don't know, maybe it's a, you know, maybe it is what it is, man. Look, amazing.